Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Do What Resonates With You from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Do what resonates with you. Don't let money or recognition be your primary objective. Do what resonates with your soul and let the universe handle the rest. When you do what resonates with your soul, the universe conspires on your behalf for its glory. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you. If you're able, close your eyes and think of the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for technology. I am also very grateful to be able to be reading these poems to you. Thank you, Danny G. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.